Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you what is campaign group in LinkedIn and how you can create one or multiple campaign groups in your campaign manager account, right? So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn platform and learn how to create a LinkedIn campaign group. So guys, as usual, I'm in the home section of my LinkedIn platform. Now first I need to access the campaign manager. For that I need to click on this business icon and I need to find the advertise button over there. Sometimes this advertise button will show here, otherwise you'll be able to see this in the visit more LinkedIn products option. Right, so click on advertise option, and once you click on advertise option you will be redirect into the campaign manager. Right, now in campaign manager we do have multiple accounts over here, right? This one is active because we have added the billing in this account, and this is on hold because it's showing that payment method is required in order to uh, make it active, right? So let's click on the second one, which is the active one, and once I click on this campaign option, basically not campaign option, the ad account, once the ad account gets opened you'll be able to see a default campaign group over here by the name of new campaign group. So this is the by default campaign group. Whenever you are creating an ad account, you'll be able to see one default ad campaign group in that ad account, and that is this one, new campaign group, right? Now what is the use of multiple campaign groups in your account? For that, let's understand the hierarchy of LinkedIn ads first, right? So let me show you the mind map which I have created. So the first we need to create in order to run ads on LinkedIn is to create a campaign manager account. When campaign manager account created, we can create multiple ads account in campaign manager, right? As you can see, I have created three ad account over here, ad account 1 2 3, which is this one, right? Here I do have created only two, and the first one is active and the second one is on hold because I haven't added the billing. So these are the ad accounts, right? Once you are done with your ad accounts, basically you can create multiple ad accounts for multiple clients, multiple companies, multiple brands, right? Now let's say this ad account is for our brand, which is Marketing Fundas, right? So in this ad account I'll get one by default campaign group. If I want to use that, I can use it. Otherwise I can create another ad groups as well with the name of whatever I want to use, right? So in Marketing Fundas, what we do, we provide two type of services. The first one is digital marketing services for different businesses, and the second one is digital marketing training, who want to learn about digital marketing, who want to learn and work in digital marketing sector and industry, right? So we provide two kind of services. The first one is service and the second one is training. So what we have created is, we have created two new campaign groups. We are not using the default one. If you want, you can use it. This is just a default one, right? If you want, you can delete it as well. Now in the digital marketing services ad campaign group, we have created three campaigns, and in digital marketing training campaign group, we have created two campaigns, right? So this is how the hierarchy works. First it's campaign manager, then ad accounts, then campaign groups, then campaigns, right? And then campaigns, you can create multiple ads as well, right? I haven't added the ads over here. Now let's jump into my uh, tutorial again, right? So as I told you that the uses of campaign group is to create ads or to create campaigns for separate services, separate products, right? So in Marketing Fundas we provide separate services, that's why we created separate campaign groups. But if you provide separate products or separate offers, you can create new campaign group for that as well, right? So this is the default one. If you want, you can use it. You just need to click on this plus campaign button and you'll be able to create a campaign under this campaign group. Otherwise you can click on create button and directly from here you can create a new campaign group here, right? Let's say I'm creating one for Marketing Fundas, which is digital marketing services, right? And everything should be active and objective should be on. You don't need to do anything here, but you need to select the group objective. Basically, what is the objective of this particular group which you have created, right? Let me do the correct spelling, right? So for this campaign group, I do have the objective of lead generation, right? Once you select the objective, you just need to click on the create button and your campaign group will be created, right? As you can see, digital marketing services has been created. Now let's, with using the same method, you can create multiple campaign groups. Now this time I'll create digital marketing training, and then the status will be active, and the objective should be again lead generation, because if we want to provide training, we need to generate leads and then we can convert those leads into our students, right? So again, I have selected leads and hit the create button, and again my new campaign group has been created. So this is how you can create multiple campaign group, and you now understand, you know that what is the use of these campaign groups. And I hope you like this video. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. With that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.